My name is Doug Bilderback and I am your presenter today. Our topic is AR credit and collections tips and tricks. So our first point here is on the customer themselves. There's a couple different things that we can do when looking at a customer and setting up credit and collections. This is one of the note products. This is the Orchid Information Manager Notes. So I'm just going to hide that for now. We will talk about that as actually one of the things that can help you in your credit and collections process, but that's a secondary issue. All right, so of course our primary thing is right here on the processing tab for the customer is, do you have a credit limit set, right? Very simple, low level part of your process is are you using the credit limit functionality of Sage? So let me explain a little bit how that works. So you need to have it set up on the customer group and then on the customer itself to say, hey, we are checking credit. The amount of credit is X amount for a customer, and with this box here, we're going to check that the customer has, we're going to enforce the credit limit. There are a couple other options down here. We can look at, hey, are there any transactions overdue by how many days? So if you had an invoice that was due yesterday, today is more than 0 days. So it would put the transaction on hold because it's got an overdue item. Now, some people may say, let's put a little bit of grace period in there. That's fine. You get to determine how many days of grace do you want to have before you start stopping transactions and issuing warnings. And then the other option over here is an overdue limit. How much are we going to permit the account to be overdue their credit limit? I will thank you all for a great day. If you've got suggestions for future sessions, hey, send them in either to myself or into support at Equation Tech. My information is right here on the screen. Give me a call, shoot me an email, send something into support at Equation Tech. We'd be happy to take your input and create a webinar out of it. Wish you a lot of sunshine out there. Talk to you later. Take care. Bye-bye.